Hey everyone, and welcome back to Timeless Home Inspirations. For many of us, the line between our work life and our home life has blurred. Our homes have become our offices, our schools, our gyms, and everything in between. And while that's given us a lot of flexibility, it's also created a new challenge. How do you stay focused and productive in a space that's also meant for relaxation? That's why our home office is more important than ever. It's not just a desk and a chair. It's a dedicated sanctuary for creativity, focus, and growth. It's a place that should inspire you, not drain you. Today we're going to go on a deep dive into 10 aesthetic and productive home office ideas. We'll explore different styles, from the ultra-minimalist to the richly bohemian, and we'll look at smart organization hacks, must-have furniture, and all the little touches that can make your workspace feel like your own personal power zone. Get ready to transform that boring corner into a space you'll actually want to work in. The Scandinavian Minimalist Office. First up, let's talk about the Scandinavian minimalist style. This look has been a global favorite for years, and for good reason. It's all about simplicity, functionality, and a deep appreciation for natural materials. The core idea here is to create a serene, clutter-free environment that helps you focus without any visual noise. It's like a visual palette cleanse for your mind. The vibe. The key to this look is its light and airy feel. Start with a neutral color palette. Think bright whites, soft grays, and natural wood tones. The goal is to make the room feel open, spacious, and calming. This clean slate allows your mind to stay on task, free from the distractions of busy patterns or loud colors. Key furniture. Opt for a desk with clean, simple lines, maybe made from light-colored wood like birch, ash, or a light oak. The furniture itself should be functional, not just decorative. A comfortable, ergonomic chair in a neutral color is a must. Your posture and comfort are non-negotiable for long work hours. And for storage, a simple open shelving unit can display a few curated items. But remember, less is more. Smart touches. The beauty of minimalism is in the details. Add a single well-chosen item, like a beautiful ceramic mug, a sleek desk lamp, or a small vase with a single branch. Incorporate some greenery. A large snake plant in a simple pot or a small fiddle leaf fig can add a touch of life and connect the space to nature, which is a key tenet of Scandinavian design. Lighting. Natural light is your best friend here. If you can place your desk right by a large window. For artificial light, a simple modern desk lamp with an adjustable arm is perfect for task lighting, and maybe a floor lamp with a linen shade for a soft, ambient glow. Why it works. A minimalist space isn't just about looks. It's a psychological tool. A clutter-free environment reduces stress and makes it easier to get into a state of deep focus. It feels calm and organized, which is exactly what you need when you're tackling a big project or dealing with a deadline. The Bohemian Creative Corner. Now, if minimalism feels too stark for your creative spirit, and you thrive in a space that's bursting with personality, you'll absolutely love the Bohemian Creative Corner. This style is all about expressing yourself and surrounding yourself with a collection of things that tell your story and spark your imagination. The vibe. Layering is the name of the game. Mix and match different textures. A rattan chair, a hand-woven rug with a geometric pattern, a macrame wall hanging, and a soft velvet cushion. The color palette is earthy and warm, with pops of vibrant jewel tones like deep blues, mustard yellows, and emerald greens. It's a space that feels collected and traveled. Key furniture. Don't be afraid to go for a vintage or repurposed wooden desk. You can find amazing unique pieces at thrift stores or flea markets that have a story of their own. Pair it with a comfortable armchair or a cool upholstered stool that invites you to sit and think. The furniture doesn't have to match perfectly. The mix and match look is part of the charm. Smart touches. This is where you get to have fun. Create a gallery wall of your favorite art, photos, and posters. Use open shelving to display your books, trinkets, and travel souvenirs. Don't be afraid to go big with plants. A mix of hanging planters and floor plants will make the space feel alive and vibrant. Think of it as your personal jungle. Add a beautiful throw blanket or a few patterned pillows to a chair to make it even more inviting. Lighting. Warm, soft lighting is essential. A few different light sources can create a cozy, layered atmosphere. Think a vintage table lamp with a patterned shade, some string lights hanging on the wall, or a unique pendant light that doubles as a piece of art. Why it works. A bohemian space feels personal and lived in. It can be a great place for brainstorming and creative work because it encourages a free-flowing, inspired mindset. It's a space that celebrates your passions and hobbies, making work feel less like a chore and more like a part of your life. The industrial urban loft. Next, let's head to the city with the industrial urban loft style. This look is raw, functional, and super chic. It celebrates the beauty of raw materials like metal, distressed wood, and exposed brick, giving your office a feeling of strength and purpose. The vibe, think factory chic or renovated warehouse. The color scheme is typically darker, grays, blacks, and browns, but you can add warmth with natural wood tones. The focus is on clean, strong lines and durable, unpolished materials. It's a no-nonsense aesthetic that says you mean business. Key furniture. A sturdy desk with a metal frame and a thick, solid wood top is a perfect fit. Look for furniture that looks like it could have a history. A leather or steel chair will complete the look and add to the rugged, functional feel. Smart touches. Go for exposed shelving made from black metal pipes or reclaimed wood. Use wire baskets or metal filing cabinets for storage to maintain the industrial theme. A large vintage-style clock or some black and white metal-framed art can serve as key decorative pieces. Even something as simple as an old, distressed map on the wall can add to the vibe. Lighting. A single dramatic light fixture can be a statement piece. Think a large pendant light with a metal shade or a floor lamp with an exposed Edison-style bulb. The lighting should feel purposeful and focused. Why it works. This style feels grounded and strong. The simplicity of the materials can help you stay focused on the task at hand, and the durable nature of the furniture gives the room a sense of permanence and professional grit. It's a great style for anyone who likes a clean, structured environment that feels serious about getting things done. The cozy cottage nook. For those who crave comfort and a sense of retreat, let's explore the cozy cottage nook. This is about creating a space that feels like a warm hug, a little escape from the rest of the house where you can curl up and focus without any distractions. The vibe, soft and gentle. The colors are light and muted, creams, soft blues, and pastels. The textures are plush and inviting like linen, wool, and cotton. The overall feel is one of calm, comfort, and safety. Key furniture. A small, tucked-away desk can be built into an unused corner or a closet. A comfortable armchair with a throw pillow can serve as a place to read or think. The furniture should be functional but also feel like a part of the home, not just an office. Smart touches. Use wallpaper with a subtle, floral, or striped pattern. Incorporate soft textiles like a fuzzy rug under your feet or a cozy blanket draped over your chair. Use open shelves to display a curated collection of your favorite books and maybe some framed photos. A small vase of fresh flowers can add a delightful scent and a splash of color. Lighting. Soft ambient lighting is key. A pretty table lamp with a fabric shade or a few candles can make the space feel incredibly relaxing. The goal is to create a soft glow, not harsh overhead light. Why it works. A cozy nook can be a great place for deep, concentrated work. It feels like a safe, private space where you can shut out the world and get into a state of flow, making it perfect for writing, reading, or creative thinking. It's a true sanctuary. The Luxe Modern Office. Ready to level up? Our next idea is the Luxe Modern Office. This is for those who want their workspace to feel like a high-end executive suite. It's about combining functionality with luxury and a timeless elegance that feels both powerful and refined. The vibe, clean, polished, and sophisticated. The color palette is often monochromatic with shades of black, white, and gray. Accent colors might be rich jewel tones like sapphire blue or emerald green, or metallic golds and silvers. Every piece should feel intentional and high quality. Key furniture. A large statement desk with a smooth, glossy finish or a glass top. A high-backed leather office chair that looks and feels expensive. Think of each piece as a work of art that serves a purpose. Smart touches. Use sleek, integrated storage to hide all the clutter. A beautiful piece of abstract art or a bold sculpture on the wall can be a focal point. Add metallic accents with your desk lamp, pen holder, or a decorative tray. Think about a custom-built bookshelf that feels like a design element in itself. Lighting. Think integrated lighting. LED strips under shelves, or a dramatic modern chandelier. The lighting should be a part of the design, not just an afterthought. Why it works. A luxurious space can make you feel more confident and professional. It can inspire you to do your best work and approach your tasks with a sense of importance. It's all about creating an environment that matches your ambitions and makes you feel like you've already achieved success. The biophilic and green office. Let's get back to nature with the biophilic and green office. This concept is all about bringing the outdoors in. It's a scientifically backed approach that proves connecting with nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost productivity. The more natural elements, the better. The vibe, organic and vibrant. The color palette is natural, shades of green, brown, and beige with pops of color from flowers. The feeling is one of fresh air and peacefulness, as if you're working in a greenhouse or a lush garden. Key furniture. A solid wood desk, maybe with a live edge to reinforce the natural feel. A comfortable chair in a natural fabric like linen or cotton. The furniture should feel sturdy and connected to the earth. Smart touches. Fill the space with as many plants as you can at varying heights. Use a mix of floor plants, hanging planters, and small succulents on your desk. A living wall can be a breathtaking centerpiece. Incorporate natural materials like stone, bamboo, or even a small tabletop fountain to add the calming sound of running water. Lighting. Natural light is non-negotiable here. A large window with a view of a garden or trees is a huge plus. The more sunlight you can get, the better. Why it works. Being surrounded by plants and natural elements can significantly lower your stress levels and make you feel more relaxed and focused. It's like working in your own personal sanctuary, and it can help to combat the feeling of being cooped up indoors. The mid-century modern vibe. For a timeless look that never goes out of style, let's explore the mid-century modern vibe. This design aesthetic from the 1950s and 60s is all about elegant simplicity, and it works perfectly for a home office, creating a space that feels both nostalgic and forward-thinking. The vibe, organic shapes, clean lines, and a mix of natural and man-made materials. The color palette often features rich, warm wood tones like walnut and teak, combined with bold, saturated colors like mustard yellow, teal, or burnt orange. It's a look that feels sophisticated but not stuffy. Key furniture. A classic desk with tapered legs and a sleek, low profile. An iconic office chair, like a simple Eames-style chair, can be a major focal point. Look for pieces that are both beautiful to look at and highly functional. Smart touches. Use a few key pieces of art that reflect the era. A vintage-style wall clock or a globe can be great additions. Use open shelving to display a mix of books and well-chosen decor, making the space feel both personal and organized. Lighting. A tripod floor lamp or a stylish table lamp with a cone shade is a classic touch. The lighting should be understated but effective, illuminating your workspace without being a distraction. Why it works. The clean lines and uncluttered feel of this style make it easy to focus. The warm wood tones create an inviting atmosphere, and the timeless design means your office will look great for years to come, making it a smart and stylish investment. The dark and moody office. If you think a home office has to be bright and airy, think again. The dark and moody office is all about creating a sophisticated, intimate, and distraction-free space. This is for the person who thrives in a cozy, cave-like environment, perfect for deep, focused work. The vibe, luxurious and dramatic. Think a deep navy, charcoal gray, or even black for the walls. Use rich, warm colors for accents like deep greens, maroon, or gold. The atmosphere should feel exclusive and personal. Key furniture. A heavy, solid wood desk. A leather armchair or a plush velvet office chair can add a touch of luxury. The furniture should feel substantial and grounded, adding to the room's sense of intimacy. Smart touches. Use dramatic art, maybe a large-scale photograph or a dark, moody painting. Add texture with a velvet curtain or a dark, patterned rug. Use strategic lighting to highlight key areas of the room, like a beautiful desk lamp or a wall sconce. Lighting. The key is to use layered lighting. A main overhead light for general illumination, a task lamp for your desk, and maybe a floor lamp in a corner. The goal is to create pools of light that make the space feel cozy and focused, not dark and depressing. Why it works. A darker room can be incredibly effective for focusing. It can help reduce eye strain from a bright screen and create a sense of calm and containment, which is perfect for deep work, late-night creative sessions, or focused problem-solving. The shared and family-friendly office. For many of us, the home office isn't just for one person. It's a shared space, a command center for the entire family. Our next idea is the shared and family-friendly office, designed to be functional and harmonious for everyone under your roof. The vibe: practical and versatile. The design should be organized and logical to accommodate different needs and ages. The color palette can be neutral and calming to appeal to a broad range of tastes, but with fun, colorful accents. Key furniture: 2 separate desks or a very long desk that can accommodate 2 workstations. Comfortable, adjustable chairs are a must, as is storage for everyone's supplies. Smart touches. Integrated storage is critical. Use built-in shelving, drawers, and cabinets to keep everything organized and out of sight. A separate, cozy armchair can be a reading nook for a child or a place for a parent to take a break. Use a large whiteboard or a chalkboard wall for family schedules and to-do lists. Lighting. Make sure each desk has its own dedicated task lighting. If you're using a larger, shared space, consider multiple overhead lights to ensure the entire room is well lit. Why it works. This design is all about communication and compromise. By creating designated zones for different activities and individuals, you can ensure that everyone can work or study productively without getting in each other's way. It's a space that brings the family together while also allowing for individual focus. The smart and tech-integrated office. Finally, for those who want their office to be as high-tech as possible, let's look at the smart and tech-integrated office. This is all about leveraging technology to make your life easier and your workflow smoother. It's the ultimate space for the modern professional. The vibe: sleek and streamlined. The goal is to hide all the wires and create a space that feels effortlessly organized. The color palette is often neutral: blacks, whites, and grays, to let the tech stand out. Key furniture. A minimalist, height-adjustable desk is a must for both comfort and a clean look. A chair with full ergonomic support is a great investment for long work hours. Smart touches. Use smart lighting that you can control from your phone to change the color or brightness depending on your mood or the task at hand. A smart speaker can play your favorite focus music or podcasts. Look for desks with built-in wireless charging pads. Use cable management systems to hide every single wire. This is crucial for a clean, professional look. Lighting. LED strips and smart bulbs are your best friends. You can set up scenes for different moods, from a bright work setting to a more relaxed evening ambience. Why it works. A tech-integrated office removes friction and makes everything seamless. When you don't have to worry about messy wires, finding the right light, or fumbling with different remotes, you can focus on what really matters: your work. It's an office designed for maximum efficiency. So there you have it, 10 unique ideas to help you create a home office that's not just functional, but also a space that inspires you every single day. Remember, the best office is the one that feels right for you. It's a reflection of your personality and a tool to help you achieve your goals. Take these ideas, mix and match them, and create a space that you truly love. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Timeless Home Inspirations for more tips on creating a home that's timeless and uniquely yours. What's your dream home office like? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas,